rice dishes with meat and veggies are really yummy. You get soft rice, tasty meat, and crunchy veggies all in one bite. The tender meat, crunchy veggies, and fluffy rice come together to create a dish that's both nutritious and delicious. Let's not forget the simple yet ever tasty momos. Each one is like a little pocket of happiness, bursting with flavors that leave you smiling and satisfied. We pay tribute to traditional Chinese rice cakes. These bite-sized delights connect us to a timeless tale of taste and tradition. People love eating because it's a way to enjoy different flavors and textures. Food can bring comfort and remind us of happy times. Trying new foods is a fun way to explore different cultures and experiences. Enjoy every bite, every flavor, and every moment.